This is a restaurant called Reunions in Corona, California. We just did a mist system on this. Indoors in this patio right here. Outdoors out here. And because we have so many umbrellas, we had to do some kind of creative thing, so we had to go on their light post and shoot fog from there. We have 5 of those. A little bit of a windy day today. And these will go up and over the umbrellas and get some mist in here. As you see, we have the front of the building here, again high for the umbrellas, so we can get mist out here. Umbrellas are always a problem when you have a restaurant, because they love their umbrellas. So I think we'll do pretty well on this restaurant. Today's going to be about 100 degrees. Right now it's about 75, so everything's fogging up pretty good. We have the pumps on the roof. We actually have a VFD pump on the roof, so we can turn mist high and low. Or, I'm sorry, not high and low, but from one patio to the other, so we can turn 3 different patios on here. And they can do it from their pad inside their restaurant, so the servers and hostess can actually turn the system on and off in any one of these patios at any time. Thank you for watching. This is Mike, AdvancedMistingSystems.com.